Na msivunje moyo na wale watu mnaona wakishangilia Kondele. We have only one problem in Kenya, and that problem is poverty. They are misusing our youth because of poverty. These youth wanamaliza form 4, wanamaliza college, they cannot get jobs. So most of them are in the ghettos. We are in Haiti trying to solve a problem, but that problem is coming to Kenya. Because 80% of the Kenyan population is below the age of 35. And most of them don't have jobs. That is why wanaiba simu. Ndio maana wana participate kwa carjackings. Wamewapatia nyinyi shida na wamenipea mimi shida. Because these people don't have opportunities. We must show direction. And nobody should tell us that we are too young to lead. I am 28 years old and I'm not too young to lead.
Allah. Allah.
We are not too young to lead. We know what our country needs, and luckily we are not tribal, and luckily we are not corrupt.